ସବୁ
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good evening, sir.
Take your seat.
CHINMAYA
Introduce your. Please introduce yourself.
So my name is CHINMAYA PANDA. I am from Kendrapada district. I am currently pursuing my PhD in Banaras Hindu University. I have passed my BTech from College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology, OUT Bhubaneswar. I have passed my MTech in the discipline of Soil and Water Conservation Engineering from the same college in the year 2018. After that, I was assisted as a senior research fellow in Indian Institute of Water Management, in which I was assisted in design and development of rubber dams in various locations of Odisha as well as India. My research topic is impact assessment of climate change and stream flow in Mahanadi River Basin.
You have passed your MSc in 2018.
Yes.
After 18, you joined senior research fellow in ICR.
IAWM.
Now what you are doing
What
after
are the-
2021?
PhD, sir. Continuing PhD.
Now continuing PhD.
Yes.
Where?
Banaras Hindu University.
Banaras.
BHU.
BHU.
Good.
In which subject?
In the discipline of soil and water conservation engineering.
What is your nature of job in IAWM?
Senior research fellow. Mainly, I was assisted in design and development of rubber dams in various locations of Odisha as well as India.
Achha. So, which one is the major cause for soil erosion? The number of causes are there. If your priority is the cause, then what are the main cause? What is the main cause for soil erosion?
Climatic factors,
Climatic
rainfall, wind, topography.
Suppose a grass field is there.
Yes, sir.
If intense rainfall will be there, do you think that soil will lose? Will see soil loss from the land?
No, sir. It is if the due to the vegetation. If vegetation means it will bind the soil particles.
And why are you telling that this prime cause is rainfall? Then what is the prime cause for soil to be eroded?
Vegetation.
If it is bare field, then automatically you will find. That is why we are taking the measures,
Okay.
plantation, etc., everything.
Okay.
Barren lands. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Achha. If that is so, then suppose you will be posted in an area in a watershed area, and there is a very strong steep slopes.
Yes.
And what is your plan for those slopey areas for watershed development?
For slopey area, generally trench and terraces are recommended.
As a people's participation in watershed development is required or not required?
Yes, sir. People participation is required
Why?
because we need people's support.
Suppose people's education, health, and all social requirements is included in the holistic development of watershed or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why?
Because if people will literate, then they will know the importance of erosion, importance how to um, conserve the soil or water.
Suppose a tree cover is there, tree plantation
Yes, sir.
patch is there, and some grassland patch is there, and some cultivated land is there. In which field you will find this organic carbon content is more?
Organic carbon content, tree patches, sir.
Eh?
Tree, where tree is there.
Tree plantation, tree block is there,
Hmm.
grass land is there, and some cultivated land is there. Where you will find more organic carbon?
Organic carbon, where is trees, more trees planted, tree plantation,
Tree plantation or grass land?
tree plantation.
It is grassland. So,
Keep your hands on your thighs. Yes.
how organic carbon content of soils helps in holding the water in soil profile? Understand my question?
Yes.
If you will incorporate or add any organic matter or to increase the organic carbon content of the soil, then the water holding capacity of the soil will increase in the profile.
Hmm.
How?
Organic carbon make the soil porous. That's why water holding capacity of the soil is.
How water helps in the soil? ମାଟିରେ ପାଣିଟା କେମିତି ରୁହେ? ପାଣିର ତ ଧର୍ମ, it is the property of water to move
By some
downward.
force.
But how this soil profile helps the water?
By some force, surface tension
What
force.
is that force?
Surface tension force.
Surface tension.
Adsorption
What do you
force.
mean by surface tension?
Force per unit area. Force per unit length.
What is that? When by surface tension, water moves downward or upward or something else?
Water moves. Capillary rise of water takes place because of surface tension force.
How water helps in the soil? କେମିତି ମାଟି ଭିତରେ ପାଣିଟା ରୁହେ?
Particle.
And
Water
that is one
particle
way by which you will conserve the water. How? How water helps in the soil? Have you any idea about adhesion and cohesion?
Addition and cohesion.
Huh? Have you any idea?
Adhesive force and cohesive force.
Have you any idea? Suppose a clay soil is there
Clay soil.
and a light texture soil is there. Which soil will hold more water?
Clay soil.
Why?
Because of more cohesive force between the clay particles.
Huh?
Clay particles. Because of its porosity, micropores is more in clay particles.
Micropores are more. So, which force actually helps the water?
Adhesive force.
Adhesive force one, and second one is there any role of a charge of soils to hold water?
Charge of soil. Yes, sir.
In clay soils, which type of charge you will find? More charge? Which charge? Negative or positive? Clay soils, more positive charge or more negative charge?
Negative charge. I think. Negative charge.
Negative charge. So, this is the answer for the organic matter content, more negative charge, and it will attract. Do you have any idea how much times a organic soil can hold water than the normal soil? How many times?
Sorry, sir. I have.
By its volume. ଏତିକି ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ୍ ଅନୁସାରେ କେତେ ଧରିବ ଜଣା ଅଛି?
Sorry, sir. I have no idea.
Achha, why water conservation is very important? Why? What is the significance of water?
Because water is life. We need various um, purposes. If we conserve water for domestic purposes, for industrial use, for agriculture purpose, let's say water is very important for plantation also.
What do you mean by ISO height?
ISO height is a line joining equal rainfall.
Rainfall. What is the average rainfall of Odisha?
Average rainfall in Odisha 1450 mm.
What does it mean? What does it mean?
In annual rainfall, average annual rainfall.
And what it indicates?
The sum of total rainfall received in a year.
ମାନେ how will you implicate it? କେମିତି ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କେମିତି ବୁଝେଇବ କେମିତି କ'ଣ ସେଟା ମୁଁ କିଛି ଜାଣିନି ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ
Total rainfall depth.
rainfall depth or height of water? Yes or no?
Yes.
Height of water, that will indicate the height of water.
Height of water.
Can you estimate the volume of water by knowing that?
By knowing the area of a watershed or area of receiving that rainfall area, we can multiply the height with the area. We can know the volume of water.
Okay. Then you tell me this how the strip cropping is beneficial for soil and water conservation purposes.
Strip cropping is growing. Strip cropping is growing alternate strips of close erosion permitting and erosion resisting crops.
How it helps? Why you will go for permitting and resisting crop? Why not only resisting crop? Resisting crop will resist more. What more advantage you will get that so that you will go for strip cropping? One strip is permitting, one strip is resisting crop.
Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall.
Okay. Then how will you estimate the runoff?
Runoff estimation. Various empirical formula is there. Various
Then how rational method?
rational method. Rational method is Q equal to CIA by 360.
360. I will tell Q is equal to CIA.
CIA also you can.
When CIA is used and when CIA by 360 is used.
Different units.
Which
means
you tell?
if I is in meter per hour, then CIA. In
Meter per hour. I
is in sir.
inch.
Achha, inch per hour.
When 360 will be
Mm per hour.
mm per hour. And C stands for what?
C is runoff coefficient.
How will you estimate that?
Runoff coefficient is the runoff by rainfall. It is the
Runoff by
rainfall.
rainfall. What is the range of value for runoff coefficient?
Less than 1, 0 to 1. 0 to 1.
0 to
1.
when it will be 1 and when it will be 0.
When it is impervious surface, it is 1.
Impervious surface, it is 1.
When it is pervious, then it is not 0, something 0.3, 0.2.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Have you seen it opposite?
Yes, sir. Opposite I see.
How you will identify which is a pond and which is a hill?
Hilly area. close contour.
Both are closed.
Okay.
Arm as well as hills, both are closed.
Both are closed.
How will you know that this is a phone and this is a ring?
Sorry, sir.
What do you mean by benchmark survey?
Benchmark is a fixed point,
Foundation.
foundation or a
Yes. What it means?
means
Why
you
it
can.
is required?
It is required to know the height of the instrument
Height of the instrument.
or height of a particular place.
You are talking about leveling instrument.
Okay.
Why benchmark survey is required?
Because with reference to this benchmark, we can know a height of
That is
a
the reference.
reference point.
Best.
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 So,
So, how you will say that if I give you a sheet, survey sheet, how you will say what are the parameters you will see so that you will say it is a straight line survey?
straight lines.
What are the parameters that you will see in the sheet so that you can say yes, it is a straight line survey or a tabletop survey?
Parameter means slope.
Slope is not indicated in a suppose in a sheet, survey sheet, slope we have to calculate.
Length,
What?
Length,
What are
width.
the parameters that will say it is a straight line survey? Backside, foresight.
Acha, backside, foresight, intermediate side. Okay.
How? What are the design criteria of a contour trench? Design criteria.
Contour trench is
What should be the maximum length? What should be the interval? What should be the
slope.
cross
Slope is
section?
less than 20%.
25%, yes.
25%.
What should be the length of a trench?
Length.
What should be the interval between the trenches? What should be the cross section of the trench? What should be the depth of the trench?
Okay, sir.
What are those things?
Sir, I
These are the design criteria.
read, but I forgot these things. I have to read.
What do you mean by land degradation?
Land degradation means deterioration of land, soil
By what?
by different means human factors or natural.
These are the ecosystems. Tell me two applications of AI in soil conservation planning.
Geographical information system, GIS, GPS,
Yes.
and variable rate applicator, differential GPS.
GPS is one. GPS, GIS is one. Tell me the other one.
Variable rate applicator, sir.
Remote sensing.
Sorry, remote.
Okay.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏବେ ଆମର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ପଲିସି କରିବାକୁ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ଲାଇଟନିଂରେ ମରିଗଲେ
Okay.
ତ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦି ପଲିସି ଗୋଇଂ ଅନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଲାଇଟନିଂରେ ଯେଉଁ ମରିଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ସେଭ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ କଲେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଏବେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ପଲିସି କରିଛନ୍ତି ବନାରସରେ ପଢ଼ିଛ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପେପର ପଢ଼ୁନ
Sorry, sir.
କେଉଁ ଗଛ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରେ ଲାଇଟନିଂରୁ ଘର
Bamboo tree.
ବାମ୍ବ ନୁହଁ ଘର କୋଉଠି ତମ
Kendrapada.
କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡ଼ା ତ ଜାଣିବା କଥା କ'ଣ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗୋଟେ ସେପଟ ହେଇଛି ଅଲଗା କଥା କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡ଼ା ତ ଜାଣିବା କଥା ଏପଟେ ଲାଇଟିଂ ହୁଏ କେଉଁ ଗଛର କମି ହେଇଛି ବୋଲିକି ଆମକୁ ଲାଇଟିଂ ଅଧିକା ଏବେ ହେଉଛି ଲୋକ ମରୁଛନ୍ତି
କୋକୋନଟ୍
ତାଳ ଗଛ
ପାମ୍ ଟ୍ରି ହଁ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରାଜପେଣ୍ଟ ତାଳ ଗଛ ଲଗାଇବା ଯୋଜନା ନେଇଛନ୍ତି କାଲି ହୁଏତ ସଏଲ୍ ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବି କହିବେ ତାଳ ଗଛ ଲଗା
ତାଳ ଗଛ ଲଗେଇଲେ କ'ଣ ଲାଇଟନିଂ ହବନି
ଲାଇଟିଂ ହବନି ନା
ଲାଇଟିଂକୁ ଆବଜର୍ଭ କରିବ
କ'ଣ ଅବଜର୍ଭ କରିବ
ସେ ତାଳ ଗଛ
ଆର୍ଥିଂ କାମ କରିବ
ଆର୍ଥିଂ କାମ କରିବ
ତାଳ ଦେଖିଛ ଖାଇଛ
ହଁ ସାର୍
ଅଛି ଆଗ ଭଳିଆ ତାଳ ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ ଏବେ ନାହିଁ କମିଗଲା
ସରକାର ଗଛ ଲଗେଇ କିନ୍ତୁ ମଞ୍ଜି ପାଇଲେ ସିନା
ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଅଛି ସାର୍
ଭର୍ମି କମ୍ପୋଷ୍ଟ କିଛି ଆଇଡିଆ ଅଛି ଜିଆ ଖତ ଉପରେ
ହଁ ସାର୍
କ'ଣ ଜାଣିଛ ଜିଆ ଖତ ଉପରେ
vermi compost is growing the earth
ଭର୍ମି କମ୍ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଜିଆ ଖତ ହେବା ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଦିନ ସମୟ ଲାଗେ ହଁ ପାଠ କ'ଣ ପଢ଼ିଛ ୱାଟର କନଜର୍ଭେସନ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋବର ଖତ ଭିତରେ କିଛି ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ କାହାକୁ ଗୋବର କହନ୍ତି କାହାକୁ ଖତ କହନ୍ତି
when it is decomposed
that is
compost or khata
ଯୋଉଟା
when it is raw it is
କେତେ ଦିନ ସମୟ ଲାଗେ
45 days approximately
45 days ରାବଣରେ ବାବା 6 ମାସ ମିନିମମ୍ ଦରକାର
okay
କାଓ ଡଙ୍ଗରୁ କମ୍ପୋଷ୍ଟ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ମିନିମମ୍ 6 ରୁ 8 ମାସ ଦରକାର ଭର୍ମି କମ୍ପୋଷ୍ଟ କାଓ ଡଙ୍ଗଟା ଦରକାର
vermi compost
ଗୋବରଟା ଦରକାର ଭର୍ମି କମ୍ପୋଷ୍ଟ which are the most beneficial insect को मैंने ଆମର सोसाइटी एग्रीकल्चर रे
earthworm
ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ କିଏ ତ ଖାଲି earthworm ବହୁତ ଏକ୍ସଟିଙ୍କ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲେଣି ପ୍ରଜାପତି ଦେଖିବାକୁ କହୁଛ କଙ୍କି ଦେଖିବାକୁ କହୁଛ କାହିଁକି ସେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ପଳେଇଲେ କୁଆଡ଼େ
due to the
because of
climate change or
climate change no ଆମର pesticide or pollution କଲେ ଆମେ
okay
because of pollution pesticide and pollution these are the going to extinct ହେଲା water set ଖାଲି ଏସି ହବ କାମ କରିବ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ଲୋରାଲ ଫନା ତମେ ଯେଉଁ ଜାଗାରେ କାମ କରୁଥିବ ଯଦି ସେଠି ଚଢ଼େଇ ଇନସେକ୍ଟ ବା ସବୁ କ୍ୟାଟଲ ପପୁଲେସନ୍ ନ ବଢ଼ିଲା ସେଇଟାକୁ ଇଣ୍ଟିଗ୍ରେଟେଡ୍ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ବି କହିହେବନି ଗଛଟା ଗାଈ ଚଢ଼ିବାକୁ ନାହିଁ So you should give this type of trees ଯୋଉଠିକି insect parts they will be attracted. ତାଙ୍କ ଗ୍ରୋଥ ହେଲେ ବି ସେଇଟାକୁ କୁହାଯିବ ଗ୍ରୋଥ ଖାଲି ଗଛ ଲଗେଇଦେଲେ ହେବନି ଆଚ୍ଛା ମୋତେ କହିଲ ଆଭିନ୍ୟୁ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟେସନ୍ ରୋଡ୍ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟେସନ୍ରେ ଆମେ ଜାମୁକୋଳି ଆମକୁ ଦେବାକୁ ମନା ପାଇ ଆଭିନ୍ୟୁ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟେସନ୍ରେ jamun is restricted. Not only jamun, some of the fruit plants are restricted. Why? What should be the reason? Kind of restrict kara hai plantation. Common sense kata.
fruits
Roadside plantation re jamun ebong अन्य किछि fruits मना करा है. Why?
because it will sorry sir
अरे पाचिले पड़े गाड़ी स्किड कर एक्सीडेंट हम फल पाखु माकड़ मैंने पड़े आसवे से एक्सीडेंट कारण हे एवेन्यू प्लांटेशन जमा फ्रुटिंग ट्रीज दबनी जब गछ पड़ो राति पाचिब पाचिबा गोड़ खस गाड़ी खसर माकड़ आसवे माकड़ बाड़े ये प्लांटेशन एक्सपर्ट यू शुड नो दिस कॉमन सेंस सेटा को बही रे पढ़ा होनी जानिया कथा है सॉइल कंजर्वेशन रे खाली गछ लगेबो ना रोड साइड कलेक्टर कहबो ई रोड साइड गछ लगे दियो तमे आंब जामकुड़ी सब लगे देइथिबो तापरे रात्रि गोटे गाड़ी एक्सीडेंट लोक कहबा जे एक्सीडेंट कोन जामकुड़ी गछ रे सो जामकुड़ी पड़थिला गाड़ी स्किड कला मला एवेन्यू प्लांटेशन रे बस गाँव राति लाइट नथिबो आ स्कूटी गुडा तो स्पीड कर जो आराम
अच्छा
these are the common sense as an agriculture expert you should know कौन सी प्रकार स्पीडिंग आइटम गच रोड साइड रे दब एंड द एन एक्सपर्ट यूज टू टेक केयर यही कहबे इवन समटाइम्स योर कलेक्टर विल टेल काहे के आप लगौन काहे के एटा लगौन तमे कहबो सर दिस इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड यू एज एन एक्सपर्ट तमे कहबो नाही सर एटा लागि परिबो नाही मोस्टली समर फ्लावरिंग फुल गुड़ा तो सब रेकमेंड करा जाए बिनो प्लांटेशन तो सॉल्व करने पिला भी प्लांटेशन में बेसिक जिनिस जानिया दरकार ताकि एक्सपर्ट
आई विल
ओके बेस्ट विशेष कौन हॉबी रखिछ प्लेइंग क्रिकेट तो समस्त दउचंती और
सर हॉबी रे किछि लिखियो कि माने सिंगिंग की कौन लिखियो
गोटे लिखियो
that should be your particular hobby and you have a in-depth knowledge over that.
ओके
क्रिकेट लिखिला माने क्रिकेट क्रीज तो स्पेसिफिकेशन कौन
ओके
क्रिकेट बॉल रो वेट केते होबा कथा
हां
आओ तार जहाँ जहाँ अच्छी स्टम्प रो हाइट केते होबा कथा
New ICC rules.
रूल्स कौन कौन
सब
प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो कौन